Hello, what's up guys? Today we get the Samsung M10 NoT Charging. We put the charge into the power station and the device is charging is with 0.5 amps, and there is a problem with the charging port. So let's remove the SIM card tray. After that we can detach the frame from the housing. If we put the charger, we can see no sign of charging, but the device is taking a low amps. Let's first replace the charging port and see if we can get this fixed or not. We have to remove the first 3 screws. Also, the M10 looks like the A10, but the subboard is different from the A10 to M10, and also the charging port is different. Let's remove the plastic shields. After that we will unplug the battery, and let's go down to remove all the screws. After that we can remove the loudspeaker. Unplug the antenna. I have to mention you can also replace the whole sub board, not the charging port itself. But if you are going to have a faster and easy job, you can just replace the subboard. But if you are going to a low price with tough work, with more tools, you are going to replace the charging port itself. It looks like dirty and damaged or burnt or something. Anyway, I'm going just to start replacing it. Maybe it suffered liquid damage or something. Let's replace it. This is M10 flux paste. I'm going to remove the charging port along with the soldering iron with the heating gun. This will make the job easier to remove the charging port. This port has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 legs connected to the subboard. This is a 2 little tiny hole and a 4 big hole, so we have 6 legs. Alright, this is a low melt solder. After that we are going to wick all the solder from that subboard, so we can put the new one in the position. As I told you, you can just skip all that work, just bring the whole subboard and replace it. But I always prefer to do the extra job for you. For those who are looking for the extra job, they can still and keep watching. We can clean with the alcohol. It's isopropyl alcohol to clean all the dust and the dirty thing and the flux left. We need everything to be cleaned. After that we can put the new charging port in the position. I'm going just to solder some pads to make the charging port solid. After that I will flip the board and continue soldering the legs. We don't need to make now everything perfect, just solder what you can, press it down because we need it to be pressed on that position. Alright, I think it should be solid now. I'm going now to flip the board. You can see now that we have 6 legs. This is the first one, the second one, the third, not the third. Let's continue. The third one, I should replace that soldering tip. Alright, the fourth one and the fifth and the sixth, I forget them. This is the small holes. I will get back to them later. Okay, let's now continue soldering the pads. I have a small tip to do that job. Now let's make the pads perfect connected to the pads. The pin connected to the pads. Alright. This is a micro tip soldering. Alright, let's flip the board to see if everything is connected. Yes. Now let's solder the last two legs. I should do it with the other tip. Anyway, let's just do it. Let's do some cleaning. Alright, our job has been done. We clean, after that we test. Connect the flex cable. Okay, let's put the charging on. We have a simple. Alright. The phone should start charging again. Alright, it's 5%. I'm gonna leave it to make sure the device is taking charge. And I come back to check. Okay, it's 6%. That seems our problem has been solved. Let's now assemble the device back and put it on charger to charge more to make sure everything is perfect. Our problem has been solved by replacing just the charging port, and we wouldn't need to replace the whole subboard. Anyway, we were able to fix this problem. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.